Okay, I have. It is turquoise stone. Alright. Always recycle. Wow, that's cool. I always like the color turquoise. I don't know why. I guess because of Indian turquoise stone. So it's like my other one I got in this set, this delivery. It's supposed to get the woman aroused or whatever. Whatever they say, whatever. Jeremy Fragrance, baby. Wait a minute. Wow. Wow, it gives a smooth feel. The whole smell is just smooth. Like it's like and smooth, but it goes up and goes down, but it's smooth. It's weird. Wow. This gets women going, but it gets men going too. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. That's makes women go whoa whoa.